aggressive. You can walk all the way around them, and unlike the yellow jacket that will chase you, this little wasp will not chase you. But it likes to live right in the middle of these clumps of blueberries. So when we got to the blueberry patch, the lady who was in charge, she said, you've got to be very, very careful. Every bush that has one of those little wasps in it, we check it every day. And every bush that has one of these little wasps has a little milk, like an old milk carton that's full of water right there. So if you see that little milk